Hi, I'd like to show you how easy it is to leverage the SharePoint BDC capabilities to initiate searches within SAP transactional data and actually interact with the SAP data. So in a SharePoint site, I'm going to run a search on material called wallpaper and execute that. It's returned a couple of options. Select this. It's going to bring up a composite page with the SAP material details. Okay, so what we see here is a composite page that shows me information about the material master itself, information that comes out of my SAP system. It provides me a list here of vendors for that material with the ability to fire off the SAP GUI. So we don't need to reinvent anything. We can simply fire off the HTML GUI and navigate the SAP transaction. Back to my composite screen. If I open up this view option over here, what it's going to show me is a list of purchase orders for this particular vendor in the past 2 years, with the ability again to simply open up one of these orders and it'll take me to the SAP transaction. Or alternatively, I can select an item, one of the purchase orders, open that up, and it'll show me the line items for that particular purchase order itself. What I also show is, as part of the vendor information, it shows me it renders a Google Maps view of where that vendor is. It also shows me a purchasing summary for the past 2 years by month. So I can actually see what my purchasing history is for the vendor. It can actually also show me in this composite screen a list of unstructured documents for that vendor, and here we can get access to the contract for that vendor in the first place. I've also got the ability to interact with this data graphically. I can view the information in a graphical format, toggling between the various groupings, so purchasing organization, for instance, by month, by quantity. I can look at it via materials itself, etc. It's just a different way of interacting with your complex SAP data in a very different way. Please feel free to contact us at IQX Business Solutions. Our website is iqxbusiness.com. We've got a lot of these template solutions available for rapid deployment. We can provide quick start template implementations of these sorts of SharePoint web parts for SAP. We have a range of SharePoint info path forms for SAP, and we can do a lot of bespoke work integrating SAP and SharePoint. Feel free to contact us today. Thank you.